Justin again from Brickright. I just want to update you on this project we're working on in Cardiff. So we got the retaining walls in now. Last video you would have seen the foundations going in, so they're down there. So we got these retaining walls in. So Brad, come a little bit closer now. We'll just talk you through if you can get the kind of an angle onto the wall. So you can see this is quite a thick, big retaining wall. So we're going to be holding up all this banking over here, so we're going to be bringing our levels up to this level, going across and roughly finishing off about here. So on top of here we got these face brickwork. The bricks are going to match the house over there, so we just get that in. So we've got a brick to match that. It's going to be going on top of here, and so you won't actually see any of this wall, but just to run you through the idea of a block retaining wall. So top tip in terms of where you start is dig your foundations up and get the foundations right, because if your foundations are wrong then the whole thing is going to be wrong, isn't it? So previous video of ours, you can see that we run through the foundations. We won't go too much into that, so we built on top of them. So there's the foundations, we've got a nice toe on it, everything works out fine. So I decided to put these blocks in like an English bond. So what that means is you've got alternative courses of a stretcher. So a block lead this way is a stretcher, and a block lead back on itself that way is a header. So you've got a header course and a stretcher course, which is English bonds. We've returned that going down there, comes up this far from here, right the way down there and right the way down. To show them down there, Brad, how far it goes. We did go into single skin block on flat there because the ground's less, you're not holding as much bank in it. This wall is completely up, way out of level, and it's not the best. So our wall foundations are totally independent to this wall. So that's the wall. We've got weed poles in there now. So what we'll do, we'll cover that up with some weed membrane to stop the chip-ins going through. So we're going to put clean chip-ins down here, so the water will drain through all these walls. So you know, we're doing a decent job in terms of getting the water out from underneath as well. So what our job is today is we've got this massive load of recycled stone. So we're going to be putting the recycled stone with the digger in here, slowly raising the levels. So the levels are like this, so we're going to be tilting the levels up. So everything now is going to be pushed up weight against this wall. So that's why we built that wall in terms of how thick we built it, because you know, we don't want it to go anywhere. We want it to last the stead of time. So yeah, so this is a block retaining wall in English bond, going into a block on flat stretcher bond with weed poles on a big foundation with shuttering. So you can see all this on the video. So any questions, just give us a shout, give us some comments underneath or whatever, and yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll show you this how it progresses now. So it's quite exciting in terms of, you know, changing the levels and putting some other walls in. So we'll keep showing, so keep watching, and hopefully you can see it right the way through the project, right the way through the end. So yeah, see you on the next one. Cheers.